Welcome to the Faculty 180 training video on activity input for committees. In order to navigate to the activity input form, you will either click on the Complete Activity Input Fall 2013 link or named similar in the To-Do section, or click on the Activities link and then the Committees link on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the Committees section. Depending on the settings and how you're navigating to the activity input form, you may have to click View All. Once you click View All, you will be able to add additional committees that you're a part of. If you click View All, you will then be brought to a page where you can see all associated committees for this user account. To add an additional committee, click the Add button at the top. After clicking the Add button, you'll be brought to the activity input form where you can enter in all of the necessary information for this committee. First, enter in the start semester as well as the start year. If you click the committee drop-down, you'll see all associated committees for the given unit that is selected. In this case, that is the university unit. Options and fields that you have available will vary per institution. If you have certain information that you are expected to enter, you might see different things than what is currently being displayed. In this case, there are two activity classifications. One to designate the institutional committee responsibilities, the other to choose whether or not this is publicly displayed. After you click the Help button, which is a question mark next to the fields, you will see additional information that has been provided to you by the institution in order to help you fill out the form and understand the field. If you have any questions over specific fields, you can ask your point of contact. At the bottom of the page, you will see a Save button, which will save and keep you on the current page. Save and Add Another, which will allow you to save and add an additional committee that you're a part of. And Save and Go Back, which allows you to go back to the previously viewed page. Cancel will cancel all information entered into this committee and not save it. It will be discarded. Now that we've added one committee, let's add an additional committee. But this time, it's a committee that we only participate in the spring of every academic year. We will have two different records, each for each year. Now, fill out all the fields much like you did previously. This time, choose the exact same start semester and year and end semester as year. We will then make a clone of this record and edit it for the following year. Click the Change button next to the unit in order to change the unit that the committee lives in. After filling out all of the required fields, click Save and Go Back. Then we will clone this record and update it for the next year. Click the Clone button next to the record that we just created. The page will load and a notification at the top of the screen will tell you that you are editing a clone of a previous committee. Update the start and end period to be for the following year. Now you will have two records, each showing spring for different years, allowing this record to show that you are not participating in this committee during the fall semesters. After you're done filling out all of the required information, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click Save and Go Back. Let's say you want to delete a duplicated record. To do that, on the right side, just click the X button. Note that this will permanently delete any record and will not be recoverable. Thank you for watching this Faculty 180 training video. Use the resources provided to you through the Help menu, as well as your contacts, in order to answer any additional questions.